Weche mag doho jasiasa ma Kiambu Gladys Chania idhidone kod ketho mar nek mabende mano mar jaode George Mwangi. Apisi ma jomin wacho ni Gladys obiro kuongo timne pim mar obwongo juma manyien tich ariyo kapok ochwale do ka Mwangi ne okwany ringre kowite tok Chania go report ni olal.
In exercise of the powers of the Director of Public Prosecutions under Article 157, Sub-Article 6A of the Constitution, we've made a decision to charge the first and second accused with the offense of murder, and the information is there in the file. And this morning, as a matter of procedure, we are appearing before you for purposes of directions. As by the quorum, both accused persons are duly represented. We are here to seek the following orders. The first order is that the first and second accused person undergoes psychiatric examination, which is scheduled for Tuesday, 1st of November at Madari Referral Hospital. The second order is now to be given a date for plea taking before the judge, the High Court. That the first accused person be remanded at Kigiri Police Station, and the second accused person be remanded at Mudaika Police Station.
Our clients were granted terms of bail, which they have frustrated, and now they want to sneak in through the window to get more time, expressly against the orders you gave in this miscellaneous application. It is not possible, Your Honor, for the court to act in the air.
What the account